Divine greetings, Masters. Very good evening, good morning, good afternoon from whichever part of the world, and good evening as well from whichever part of the world you're joining in, Masters. Thank you so much for joining. So, I also welcome and invoke all the Masters, Ascended Masters, our guides, guardian angels, astral masters, divine beings, spirit guides, spirit animals, our guardian angels, angels, archangels, all the Param Guru Mandalis, our Pitamaha Brahmrishi Patriji, Mahavatar Babaji, Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu, Adi Shakti, Mata Maha Lakshmi, Mata Adi Shakti, and Mata Maha Saraswati, Lord Brahma as well. So, Masters, let us connect to our Masters. Let us request them to help us connect with their consciousness, help us raise our vibrations, and also increase our wisdom and knowledge. Help us by showing us the way, the true path that we need to go on. Please lead the way, Masters. Today, let us also pray to the sun and the moon energies, the universal energies from the cosmos, the divine white light, and Mother Nature, Mother Earth, so that they may bring healing energies onto this planet Earth, onto us, and to each and every being on this planet, so that whatever darkness, whatever ignorance is there, we can help them remove together. Thank you. So, Masters, thank you so much for joining. So, we are going to start our meditation today. And before we go into meditation, Masters, as you all know, happy Buddha Purnima to each and every one. And also, this comes under the month of Vaishak. So, who are Buddha followers, like people who follow Gautam Buddha, they actually celebrate, and the monks and uh, who says, Namo Buddhaya, and people, all those people who follow, they celebrate this month of Vaishakha. And um, also, this is also known as flower moon, uh, this full moon. And apart from that, Masters, um, as you all are going to go into meditation, keep a jug of water or water bottle handy, um, because during this day or during the night time when the full moon is there, you can always keep a vessel of water outside the house or wherever you can find a window and the moon energies can come in. So uh, basically, charging that water with moon energies. So always during the full moon time, try to keep this vessel of water outside or near the window so that the moon energies can sink in. And in the morning, you can pick it up and then fill it in a glass bottle or any other bottles, and you can charge them with your hand by keeping all the both the hands together like this. And you can put those intentions. It can be for love, health, wealth, um, any other intention that you want to put. So thank you so much, Masters. If anyone has any questions, you can ask later on. Let's go into meditation first. As you know, that we'll be doing meditation um, maybe for 1.5 hours or so, or maybe 1 hour. Just let us go for 1 hour today. So let's go into meditation, Masters. Sit cross-legged like this. You have to sit cross-legged with your feet crossed. If you cannot sit cross-legged, Masters, you can definitely sit on sofa, chair, or bed, and keep your feet crossed like this, ankles over ankles. Hands should be clasped, fingers into fingers, and close your eyes. So we are going to relax our body very quickly and then go into meditation with inhaling your breath and exhaling your breath, basically in breath and out breath. So let's begin, Masters. People will join in whenever they wish to. That's okay. We are not going to wait for anyone right now. Whoever is here, we are going to start the meditation. So take your position, Masters. And before you go ahead, also keep in mind, try to wear pyramids. The more energies are there, you can actually heal yourself very quickly. With group energies, you can heal your health issues, any challenge, mental trauma, any anguish, whatever you have, any thought process, let us ask the masters, request them to help us by raising our energies, vibrations, and also our consciousness. So let us go into meditation, masters. I will share the music today. I'm going to put Shiva meditation. Also, start focusing on yourself, masters. Try to bring your attention onto your Vardhana chakra or your Agnya chakra on the area between the two eyebrows. Breathe in and breathe out, masters. As you breathe in, try to center yourself and your energies. Retain this power. Reclaim your energy, your power back from wherever you have left it, you lost it, or somebody stole it, whatever you can say, whatever you can think of. Just breathe in and bring your energy and power back to yourself. Okay, masters. One by one, start relaxing the body from head to toe. Breathe into your brain area, your brainstem, and the inner core of your brain, the centralmost part inside your brain. As you inhale, bring attention to your facial expressions. Bring in the life force energy into your eyes, ears, your jaws, and also try to relax your tongue. As you bring your attention to your body, to your throat, your gut, bring your attention towards your shoulders, your arms, and your hands and fingers. As you breathe in, feel the vibrations of every breath in your hands, in your veins, in your nerves and bones. Every breath brings in a great amount of energy filled with peace, love, serenity, and tranquility. As you inhale, bring this loving, peaceful, calming energy into your spine. Let each and every breath enter your vertebrae, your spinal column, from the tailbone of your spine. Your spine is breathing, and this energy moves upwards onto your brainstem and goes up towards your Sahasrara. So feel this energy, feel the pull of every breath in your spine, masters. Practice 7 to 8 deep breaths into your spine. This everyday practice will keep your spine healthy, rejuvenated, and it will bring more support into your life, more healing, more good health. Your spine is your body's ultimate support. Sometimes in life, when you are all alone, the spine helps you by letting you know that you are strong, you are courageous. and your body, your mind, your organs support you in every way. So breathe in, masters. Bring your attention onto your spine and breathe in and breathe out. Let no one tell you that you are weak, because you are not weak. We all are powerful souls. Whatever we search for outside is within us. Nothing is outside. The universe that you see out is within you, in your breath, in each and every organ inside your body. Your chakras holds the consciousness of every dimension. So breathe in, masters. As you breathe in, let this incoming breath fill in this life force energy, the moon's energies, and the cosmic energy, which behaves as a fuel for your body and the layers of your being. As you inhale and as you breathe in, bring this attention onto your heart and lungs and relax them as you breathe out. Let your heart and lungs expand as you breathe in. By breathing in, you are strengthening your heart muscles, your lungs. As they expand, you strengthen your lungs. So be slow and steady as you breathe in, and as you breathe out, you have to be steady with your breath. Let your breath out and relax. As you breathe in, masters, feel rejuvenated into your lungs and heart. And now going deep down into your stomach region, reproductive region, and your lower abdomen region. Let your stomach muscles expand as you breathe in. As you breathe in, relaxing your abdomen region. Now go deep down into your lower half part of your body. Relax your thighs, your hips, your knees, calf muscles, going down into your heels, ankles, soles of your feet, and your toes. Feel the vibrations of every breath entering your life, entering your body. This life force energy enters your nerve, veins, your bones, and bone marrow. Each and every cell of your body feels rejuvenated, relaxed, and peaceful. Let us now ground our energies into Mother Earth. Feel as if you are a big tree, and these roots of this tree, your feet, your toes are your roots, going deep inside Mother Earth. As you progress downwards into Mother Earth, give regards to Lord Gaia or Mother Gaia, Mother Earth, and request her to connect your energies with her. Your consciousness is now connected with Mother Earth. You are receiving Mother Earth's healing energies as you breathe in. Feel the grounding energies rushing in into your body, stabilizing and harmonizing you. As you breathe in, you feel warmth and oneness of Mother Earth. You're also becoming one, slowly and steadily. As you breathe in and breathe out, let us also invoke the universal energies of white light. As you breathe in, feel that this white light is coming inside your body in the form of a pillar, going into all your nerves, your cells, your organs, your bones. And as you breathe out a protection around you. A protective aura of white light covers you, covers your being. As you breathe in, let go of your body's consciousness. Let go of your name, fame, losses, dreams. Anything that bothers you, let it go. For this time, for this while, let go of your responsibilities. Just sit with yourself and your in-breath and out-breath. As you inhale and exhale, masters, bring this intention into your mindset, into your conscious mind, that you are a unique, powerful, vibrant soul. You are lovable. You can put this intention that I'm a unique, powerful, vibrant, healthy being, a healthy soul. I am lovable. I am a wonderful soul, filled with love, peace, and happiness. Every in-breath fills me with positivity and miraculous energies that helps me manifest in miraculous ways. It excels me forward every time. As I breathe in, I only receive positivity and miraculous energies, magical energies. Only positive energies and miraculous energies can come to me, which are always leveling me up, helping me, surrounding me with positivity. I only welcome love, peace, and grace. As I breathe in, I become one with my breath. I'm becoming one with everything. Every in breath heals me, fills me with love, peace, and joy. I'm a powerful soul. Anything that is not love is being deflected away from me. Anything or any energy that is with love comes to me. Now let us concentrate deeper and go into deeper states of meditation, masters. Just breathe in and breathe out and concentrate on becoming one. Let go of any thoughts at this time and come back to your breathing. Be aware of each and every breath, Masters. Try to be aware and not go into sleep. Let this breath be your guide and your guru as you breathe in. Nothing is easy, masters. Even a single breath that you breathe in, full of energy, mental illness, expand your lungs, won't be able to breathe in fully. Same way, if you want your breath to be your guide or your guru, you have to be thoughtless. So inhale deeply and slowly, and exhale slowly and steadily. And practice again and again. Inhale slowly and deeply, and slowly exhale and relax. Just be aware how each in breath comes in and how each breath goes out. Your focus is very important. Where is your focus? Wherever your focus is, that is where your energy goes. Be with your breath, masters, and bring this energy back to you. As you inhale and exhale, Masters, you become one with your own breath. As you go into the depths of this wonderful meditation, as you inhale, your energies go into flow state. Flow state is a creative state where your energies help you create many things in your life. The creation is always a part of your chakra, your sahasrara, and even your third eye. It helps even your heart chakra, your solar plexus chakra, your root chakra, and your sacral chakra. Every other chakra becomes balanced. Creation always happens in the darkness, where this creation cannot be seen by anyone or to the naked eye. When you go inwards, you can see this creation unfold in front of you, which brings more clarity into it. So don't complain, don't judge, don't criticize that there's nothing happening with you. Everything is happening which you can't see, but the results will be out soon. Give yourself time, be patient with yourself, and inhale and exhale. Just be in this oneness state. Creation always takes time. But if you don't work on yourself, if you're not disciplined, if you're not doing your hard work, not doing your inner work, then the journey is long. You better meditate every day, regularly. For people who don't meditate regularly, you should do that and see the change that comes into your life and each and every relation, your work, and projects. The magic is everywhere. Are you ready to see it? Be with your breath, masters. Be aware how each in breath comes in and how it goes out. That each in breath comes in naturally, easily, and freely flowing into you. Take your time as you in breath, as you breathe out. There's no rush. Use every breath to the fullest, as if you are drawing life force energy within you, as if it is creating something in your life, into your being. My dear masters, now very slowly, let us all come back into our body's consciousness. Let us give thanks to all the masters, all the guides, guardian angels, Mother Earth, Father Universe, and our gurus, and even our breath, who was our guide during this whole time of your inner journey. So as you come back, take your time very slowly as you become aware of your body. Come back and straighten up your body, your spine, your neck, and your head. Very slowly, feel your hands, feel your feet, your toes. Take a deep in breath into your stomach, into your heart and lungs. Let us give thanks to the wonderful moon energies, wonderful and miraculous healing Mother Earth's energies, and also our cosmic energies straight from the Father Universe, divine white light of energy and protection that we received. Thank you to each and every moment while we were doing meditation. Thank you to the deeper states of meditation. Thank you to each and everything. Now let us very slowly unclasp our hands and fingers, masters. Take a deep in breath, and whenever you feel comfortable, very slowly unclasp your hands and keep the palm of your hands on your eyes for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And very slowly open your eyes beneath your palms, masters. Whenever you feel ready, whenever you are comfortable, you may open your eyes, let go of your hands, and come out with a beautiful smile. Give thanks and gratitude to all the fellow meditators who are with you on this journey. Thank you so much, Masters. Gratitude. Lots and lots of love, happiness, and joy to each and every one. Let us hug ourselves, give a pat on our back, and take a deep in breath, as if saying to your body that you love your own self. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. You can hug yourself, give a pat on your back, and say thank you to yourself. If anyone wants to or wishes to share their experiences, would love to hear. If not, that's okay, no problem. I'll give you a minute to come out. And if people are still sitting in meditation, that's okay. Thank you, Rani ji. Anyone has any question or any sharing, any experiences, Masters? You may raise your hand. Okay, then I see no one has any hand raises here. So have a wonderful night, Masters. Have a restful night. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here and sharing your time, space, and energy with all of you was great. Thank you so much. So, Masters, may we all have a wonderful journey ahead into our lives. May we all be happy, healthy, and vibrant. Let us practice our meditation every day, individually as well as in group. Let us teach meditation to others. Let us awaken others. But first and foremost, let us do our inner work. Thank you so much, Masters. Thank you. Good night, Masters. And to the people from India, thank you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Thank you, Sapna ji.